Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we will be discussing about how to download TaxAct app. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into our video. So first of all, to download the app, you need to open the web catalog app on your MacBook or PC. So once you do so, you have to go in your search bar and type in TaxAct. Once you type in the name of your app, it will be shown right over there. So simply tap on it and tap on the install button. So once you tap on the install button, it will take some time to get fully installed and downloaded in your device, which you can later go in your launchpad and see where it is located. So by following this way, you can simply download the TaxAct app. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with these informative videos.